Hello children, welcome to 8th module. In this module we are going to learn about functional groups in organic compounds and homologous series. Children, in the last module we have discussed about heteroatoms. These groups or atoms which confer specific properties to the compound regardless of the length and nature of the carbon chain, and hence these groups of atoms are called functional groups. Some of the functional group is given here. First one is halo group. From the word halo, you will get an idea about this functional group. Here, the hydrogen can be replaced by halogens such as chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine, etc. Here, you can see a line before chlorine and bromine. What does it indicates? Yes, this indicates that these atoms are available for bond formation. Next is alcohol. Here it can be represented by a line followed by OH. Children, next is aldehyde group. We know that carbon's valence is 4. Out of 4, 3 are filled. One single bond is with hydrogen and one double bond is with oxygen. Next is ketone. In ketone, carbon atom is covalently bonded to oxygen atom. Other two are available for bond formation. Children, in carboxylic acid group, you can see a dash followed by COOH. This group contains one carbon atom. Out of the 4 valency, 3 are already filled. One single bond is with hydroxyl group, that is OH group, and a double bond is with oxygen atom. This is how we get COOH. Children, I have already told you the presence of functional groups such as carboxylic acid, ketone, aldehyde, etc. confer specific properties to the carbon compounds regardless of the length and nature of the carbon chain. For example, chemical properties of methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol, etc. are all very similar since it contains same hydroxyl group or same functional group. Children, let us look at the homologous series given here. First one, alkanes. Examples for alkanes are methane, ethane, propane and butane. Then next, let us go to alkenes. Here examples are ethene, propene, butene. Then next, alcohols. Examples for alcohols are methanol, ethanol, propanol and butanol. Next is carboxylic acid. Examples are methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid and butanoic acid. Children, when you look at the compounds given in each family, you will understand that each compounds given in same family are differ by CH2. Similarly, C2H4 and C3H6 are differ by CH2 group. Therefore, in a homologous series, compounds are differ by a CH2 unit. Children, next let us calculate the difference in molecular masses between C2H6 and C3H8. We know that both these are coming under alkane group. So let us calculate the molecular masses of these compounds. C2H6 and C3H8. Okay, how will you calculate the molecular mass? We should know the atomic mass also for calculating the molecular mass. Here, in case of the C2H6, we know that 2 carbon atoms are present there. So 2 into atomic mass of carbon is 12. So 2 into 12 plus 1 into 6, that is equal to 24 plus 6. So it is equal to 30U. So 30U is the molecular mass of ethane. Then what about the molecular mass of propane? Okay, let us calculate. Here 3 carbon atoms are there. So 3 into 12 plus 8 into 1. That is 36 plus 8. It is equal to 44U. Next, let us find out the difference between these two compounds. So 44 minus 30, that is equal to 14U. So that is the difference between these two compounds. Next, let us find out the molecular mass of CH2. I told you each group present in the alkane, alkene, alkyne, carboxylic acid group, alcohol group, etc. No, which are differ by CH2 group. So what is the molecular mass of CH2? It is CH2. That means only one carbon atom is there. So 1 into 12 plus 2, that is equal to 14U. So 14U. That means here we got the molecular mass of CH2. So these two are differ by CH2 group, that is ethane and propane are differ by CH2 group. Okay, next let us take another example. Next, can you find out the difference in molecular masses of ethene and propene? These two are coming under alkene family. So let us calculate the molecular masses of these two compounds. So first we are going to calculate the molecular mass of ethene. So 2 into 12 plus 4 into 1, that is equal to 24 plus 4 is equal to 28U. Then let us calculate the molecular mass of C3H6, that is 3 into 12 plus 6 into 1, that is 6 plus 6, it is equal to 42U. So let us find out the differences between these two. So 42 minus 28. Here also we got the difference as 14U. Do you understand from this? Yes. All the members in same family are differ by CH2 group. That is why we got the difference as 14U. And 14U is the molecular mass of CH2 group. So children, I hope I am clear with my points. Thank you.